First, you're going to want to start your bath with a kid play with the water. It has marker all over her. While you're waiting for that warm water to warm up in the bathtub, you're going to grab half a cup of magnesium flakes. Alright, this should melt. I know, baby. This should melt pretty quickly. You run that under the hot or warm water. Next, you're going to grab half a cup of your Bentonite Clay. You're also going to want to mix it in pretty fairly. I do not have lavender, but I do have eucalyptus oil, and this pretty much works just fine. And last but not least, we're just going to drop a few in there. It should look a little something like this.